Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I just picked up coffee. I'm headed, so it's my errand day. I have a mammogram appointment this morning, which this is my second mammogram. These are the fun things that you do once you're over 40. But the first one wasn't too bad. The first year I was eligible, I was pregnant, so that couldn't happen. So last year was my first one. It wasn't like terrible. I was really scared going in, but it wasn't that terrible. So this is my second one. Hopefully this experience is the same, and it's just, I'm in and out. I picked up coffee. I normally I'm not a very early eater, so normally I just start my day with a cup of coffee, and then later in the morning I'll have something to eat. But after my mammogram appointment, I do have a session at the gym, so I'll probably pick up like a protein bar or something just to get me through my workout. And then after that, I have to go by the post office. I'm meeting with a sitter today. I'm interviewing a new sitter for like date nights and stuff. I have a nail appointment later this evening, and I have to go by the grocery store. So yeah, that's like the stuff I'm going to be doing today. So I hope you guys are having a fabulous one. It's warming up a bit here, so I only have on one sweater today, which is, I'm happy about that. I am still waiting on one of my boxes for my next unboxing video. I've been waiting now a few weeks. There's been some weather delays, but I think it should get here either today or tomorrow, so I'll be recording another video later in the week. But I'm headed now to get my boobies checked. All right. Just has a robe, and then when you're done, the dirty robe goes in there, and you just take your top half off, and then that's it. So my mammogram appointment actually was not bad at all. The machine is uncomfortable, but it doesn't hurt. It's just very uncomfortable, because they have to turn you different sides to get different angles. But I will say this is my second time being in that facility, and each time it was so pleasant. Like, the folks that work in there, I'm talking about so very pleasant. Like, literally the whole building speaks to you. I don't know, I love pleasant people. I love people who, even if you're having a bad day, you don't take it out on others. I just like good energy. So I actually, both experiences that I've had, going into that medical center, I absolutely love the staff. Like, they are just such nice people, and I can definitely appreciate that as a customer and a patient. So I'm talking about, like, from security to registration to the radiology tech, everybody was extremely pleasant. So I love that. I love that for this company. So I am now headed to I'm gonna figure out something quick to eat. I'll get a smoothie after my workout, so I don't want to get a smoothie now, but probably get a protein bar, or maybe I'll go back by Starbucks to get maybe some egg bites. I don't know. I'll figure out something quick to eat. Then I think I'm gonna run in Sam's for a second, since I'm right here by it, and then headed to the gym. And then after that, I don't know, I have a little time. I might go have lunch with my daughter at school, and then I need to then hurry back home, because I am waiting on a package. So all right, until the next check-in. I just picked up my smoothie, and this one is my absolute favorite. It's beets, it has carrots, kale, ginger. It has a lot of ginger, so the ginger is very prominent, but it's not in a bad way. Has pineapples, honey, I think green tea. It's so delicious. Like, at first, when I first tried it, I was like, oh my god, this tastes so healthy. But it grew on me a lot. I absolutely love this smoothie. I would buy it every day, but it gets too expensive because it's like $9. So I can't buy this every day. That's just too wasteful. But it's delicious. Like, I had to cut back on buying my coffee out, and I think I replaced it with these smoothies, but I have to have them, you know, kind of spaced out. It's not an everyday purchase, but yeah, very, very delicious. Had a pretty productive day. I ended up adding something to my schedule. I went to see Flight Risk, which was a pretty good movie. Some of it was predictable, like the storyline, but for the most part, it was a good movie. And now I'm headed to my nail appointment. After that, I'm gonna run by Publix, which is my favorite grocery store, and then I'm gonna call it a night. Hope you guys have enjoyed my quick little check-ins, and I'll see you guys in the next video.